बहुत बार पेरेंट्स आके या स्टूडेंट्स आके बोलते हैं मुझे रेगुलर डिग्री नहीं करनी है। आजकल कुछ डिग्रीज या कुछ प्रोफेशंस में ट्रेडिशनल फॉर्मेट्स में एजुकेशन मिल रहा है, तो कहीं पर ना हाउ टू डिसाइड शुड आई गो फॉर अ ट्रेडिशनल डिग्री और शुड आई गो विद द ट्रेंड। हाय स्टूडेंट्स, just appeared for your class 12th and wondering what next. Engineering, medicine, CA, ऐसे ट्रेडिशनल कोर्सेज में डिग्री करनी चाहिए या किसी ट्रेंडिंग करियर में फ्यूचर बनाना चाहिए? दिस इज द कंफ्यूजन यू हैव. सो एट ग्रोथ सेंटर वी आर हियर टू हेल्प यू फिगर आउट द सेम. Hello, I'm Dr. Suchitra Surve, Director of Growth Center, and today we are breaking down this big debate: traditional degrees versus trending professions. Whether you've applied for your 12th or preparing, this video will show you exciting career paths which you might even have not thought of yet. So, let's dive in. Traditional degrees, right? Because हम जो अब तक सीखते आ रहे हैं, whatever degrees we've heard, whether it's BA, BSc, BTech, BE, MBBS, all of these come under typical traditional degrees only. And if you look at a basic path, जो स्पेशलाइजेशन है वो मास्टर्स लेवल पे मिलते हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ द ट्रेडिशनल डिग्री और एजुकेशन सिस्टम हैज बीन सो फार. That's the little change that we see now happening because we are in different times and now new courses have emerged. So what are these new courses, the new trending profession? Because बहुत बार पेरेंट्स आके या स्टूडेंट्स आके बोलते हैं मुझे रेगुलर डिग्री नहीं करनी है. What should I do different? So now what we've seen is we are in the age of digital economy. So obviously AI, robotics है. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स को मास्टर शेफ भी बनना है, स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजिस्ट भी बनना है या स्पोर्ट्स फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट भी बनना है. We've also seen a trend which is increasing in terms of becoming influencers, bloggers, and even getting into politics. So these are the typical trends that we see students are getting into, but of course devoid of a typical course, because you need to understand आजकल कुछ डिग्रीज या कुछ प्रोफेशंस में ट्रेडिशनल फॉर्मेट्स में एजुकेशन मिल रहा है, तो कहीं पर सर्टिफिकेशंस के साथ आप आगे जा सकते हो. ट्रेडिशनल डिग्रीज हो या ट्रेंडिंग डिग्रीज हो, ऑप्शंस बहुत सारे हैं. वी कैन लुक एट इट एज lesser known options, because we even have students who have done their BSc probably in food sciences, in fishery, or done a commerce related degree in probably actuaries or logistics management, or humanities ke students who have probably taken political science and even geography as a specialization. So we need to understand that whether it's a trending degree or traditional, the pathway to many careers may start with the regular format of degrees, which may not be what we call as trending, but they might be the traditional start for you, which will take you to many different specializations now that are available at bachelor's and even master's. Now, how to decide? Should I go for a traditional degree or should I go with the trend? Honestly speaking, the answer will lie in the destination or the career that you want to take, because we need to understand that बहुत से careers जो हैं later on branch out होते हैं. So you can figure out a way that I can start with a traditional, go for a master and then a super specialization. Or if I'm very sure that this is the career that I want, अभी बहुत सारे options निकले हैं जहाँ पे आप integrated masters के लिए भी जा सकते हैं. So you may enroll for a course which takes you into super specialization right in the beginning. So that is one way. And now we also have a lot of degrees which give you a lot of electives too. So you can take up these electives or professional courses which are along with the traditional degrees. So I think the choice should be made purely basis on your final ultimate career goal, the demands that you have right now in terms of time and the finances. And of course, if you're still confused, we are there. So connect with us. So traditional degree ho ya trending degree, it's in your hands how you make it relevant to yourself, right? So choose wisely and make it more exciting. Drop in a comment below with your dream career, and of course, subscribe for more tips. Visit Growth Center or even call us for a personalized counseling, because करियर की राह पर ग्रोथ सेंटर आपके साथ।